all over the world have begun living their lives more in harmony with nature, and in particular being at one with nature and identifying themselves with nature. But I've often thought that nature itself has its own aspirations, its own desires, its own dreams, and I've wondered, when nature dreams, When nature dreams, it dreams of Ernie. It was Ernie that nature longed to become.
Ernie, Ernie.
The trees whispered in deep longing, the passion of rock and soil vibrating in trembling ecstasy.
Ernie, we love you.
We love you. The leaves and soft wind crooned,
Ernie, Ernie, Ernie.
Beautiful. Just beautiful.